natin, affirmation guidance for you ni Universe. So, you have this, no? Good things take time, no? So, sinasabi sa'yo rito, no, for some of you, wag kayong magmamadali. Lagi mong isipin itong salita na ito na good things take time, right? Kung may mga hindi magagandang nangyayari right now, isipin mo palagi, good things take time, no? Merong panahon para sa mga pagbabagong mangyayari, no? Hindi agad-agad dyan, no? But then, palagi mong iisipin, there will always be a good things, no? That will take in the right time, no? Something like that, no? So, palagi mong iisipin yan ng mga fire signs, right? Hindi palaging nasa negative ka, no? Something like that, no? So, sinasabi sa'yo ni universe, ito ang i-affirm mo na lagi mong iisipin, good things take time, no? Not always, wag sabihin natin na, yun nga sinabi ko na, ang good things is mangyayari in the right time, right? No? So, hindi palagi na, palagi kang magmumukmuk or kung sabihin nating nalulugmok ka ngayon for some of you fire signs, hindi palaging nandyan ka, no? May mga test or may mga pagsubok tayo kasing kailangan pagdadaanan sa buhay, right? No? And then eventually, kapag nalagpasan mo yun, then the good things will come, no? Something like that, no? Because that is the right time to come. And for that things, for that good, whatever it is, na mangyari, right? No, kung na dumating, no, something like that, no. So, hindi naman kailangang magmadali, right? No, merong process diyan, no, something like that. Kung may mga hinihintay kang magandang pangyayari or magandang mga gusto mo magandang mangyayari sa buhay mo, there will always be a right time for that, no. But then you have to kailangan mong patunayan sa sarili mo, of course, na deserve mo ng magandang pangyayari, mga magandang pagbabago sa buhay mo, no? Mga fire signs natin, right? Ipakita mo kay universe that you deserve something good things, 'di ba? Something like that, no? Kaya, wag kang magmamadali, no? But then, you have to work it out for that, no? Mga fire signs natin, right? No? So, yeah, that's it for you, no? Mga fire signs natin. So, I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa inyong reading today, no, mga fire signs natin, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no. So, yeah, no, see you again, no, sa ating next reading, and thank you for always